Hey friends, so today I want to talk about three very specific things. First, this concept of AI automation agency and why I'm so interested in it and why I think it's an opportunity for you to do some cool things. Number two, how do AI agencies help businesses? And number three, most importantly, how do you start your AI automation agency? Because the market is huge. So when you talk about market of AI, there's a concept called a CAGR, compound annual growth rate, CAGR. And if you're looking at industries that have 3% or higher, you're looking at relatively growing industries. Well, friends, in the world of AI, the CAGR, compound annual growth rate, is upwards of 30%. It's bananas. The tools are changing every day. I got really interested in it last year, and I'm filming this in February of 2025. I got interested in this in 2024 because we had been using machine learning, AI inside of our businesses to both enhance the product offering and also how do we attract, nurture, and convert our clients. And I realized there's an opportunity to do this at scale for other businesses and even an opportunity for you to jump in if you're an entrepreneur and start your own AI automation agency. So let's talk about all those things. So first, what is an AI automation agency? Well, it's very simply taking the tools that are out there today, all the AI tools, large language models, LLMs, agents, any of the automation and technology that exists around artificial intelligence, taking those and implementing them inside small, medium, and large size businesses. Implementation is the key thing. So AI automation agencies simply become the implementer. Some are developing tools, one use cases, and they're supplying those. Those are small AI automation agencies. Larger ones are doing more comprehensive stuff. And so you can do a whole plethora of activities around whatever your interest level is, wherever you are a subject matter expert. The market is big enough. The opportunity is big enough. Competition is not something that I think exists right now in this sector. I think we're new enough, especially in the US market, North American market, that you could start your own venture worldwide and have a lot of fun. And there are some other cool companies doing this. And I love learning from them. So I want to tell you my story as not a 25-year-old entrepreneur, but a 46-year-old entrepreneur. And the struggles, the challenges that I've had, I'll bring into this to help you start your own agency and get more familiar with this concept of AI automation technology. And I'm going to throw in a little sprinkle of talent because that's part of the ingredients as well. Okay, so I got really interested in this last year. I found a community of mostly technical founders who were talking about AI automation. And I wanted to know, how can I be a part of that? How can I partner with other people to offer the solution? So it took a lot of vetting. I finally found a wonderful partner, and we are teamed up to launch an AI automation agency in the US market and having a lot of fun doing it. And it's very impactful for business owners. I got into entrepreneurship and it changed my life forever. I spent 4 years trying to help other entrepreneurs, tried coaching, tried consulting, tried a variety of things. None of them were fulfilling as this, where the how is missing. How do you help CEOs, founders, business owners? This is a great how because it gives them freedom to live their best life. And I think that's part of why we get into entrepreneurship in the first place, is to find freedom and not be working 8 hours a week and stressed to the max, because that's what this career choice that we've signed up for does. And so I think it's an unlocking. So I got really interested, found the right partner, launched in January, and here we are growing a business in the automation agency space. And so the type of companies and industries that you can go after are endless. You could be talking to a solo real estate person, agent, who needs AI integrated into their sales support systems to help them do a better job, all the way up to the big players who are crushing it and still have friction, have bottlenecks in their businesses that automation, technology, and talent, quote, quote, AI can solve for them. So there are endless number of markets, endless number of opportunities, endless number of use cases. And so that's the challenge right now for AI automation agencies, is figuring out the use cases by sector. Because what they'll say And what I will say when you're building any business is you start with the pain point that you're solving and the solution that you bring. Once you have those two, you identify your ideal customer persona, your ICP. I'll sometimes call that the avatar. You identify your avatar. Once you identify your avatar, you want to make sure that you're attracting that avatar, having enough conversations at scale at a reasonable cost before you build additional systems in your business. And so you can put in AI automation tools and techniques and systems in place to attract your customer. And once you're attracting them, you then go and you nurture those customers. Once you're nurturing them, the goal is to convert them. You deliver your 7-star solution, and then you can scale your business up. That's the playbook that we follow. And right now, in our AI automation agency, we're attracting enough clients. We're targeting customers to have conversations in a plethora of industries so that we can learn where are the unique pain points, where are the use cases, and what are the markets that we want to attack in our AAA AI automation agency. And so those will be different for you. And so wherever you are an industry expert, that's where you can start playing in. And so find your ICP, identify the pain points, and then you can start talking about solutions that you can bring to your ideal customer persona. So how do you start your agency? Well, first you need a technical partner. And at Unisupports, we love to play that technical partner with other, I would say, folks in the sector who have product market fit, who are subject matter experts and who know certain industries. So that's one way. You can basically white label our team as your team. That's a pretty cool way. Number two is you find the technology that you understand how to automate and implement. We're working with a founder now who understands how to do that himself. And so he is both the technical and commercial founder of his AAA AI automation agency. And so there are all kinds of ways to do this. You can hire your own team. You can do the AI solutions yourself. You can partner with others to maybe take on a bigger solution package than you're able to do alone. All kinds of ways. Whatever's right for you, jump into it. And so find your industry segment, identify the use cases and pain points in the opposite order, pain points and then use cases, and then find your technical partner. Or if you're a technical founder, find your commercial partner. I think you need both. I've always been successful when you've got a commercial and a technical founder. And I think that's the secret ingredients. But if you're both, or if you're the unicorn and a technical founder who can crush it, do that. And you're started. You're in the business. And then you've got to start with attracting your customers. Having enough conversations to understand the solution that you bring and the value that you can extract. Because right now, all AI technology automation is doing is taking processes that were historically, when we built businesses, done hand by hand. So we would hire people to do tasks inside our businesses that would help us grow. Now we're able to put technology, automation in the business to help us scale faster without manual work, hands, but with automation and technology to go quicker. So lots of opportunities in this space. It's an exciting time to be a business builder, to be an entrepreneur in this land. I've heard the term AI entrepreneur, which I love, and I think there's an opportunity for you to start your business as an AI entrepreneur. So my encouragement to you is if you're a tech founder, if you're a commercial business development founder with subject matter expert, there's an opportunity like no other to jump into a space where there are endless opportunities, lots of opportunity, lots of upside in all different areas. And so finding the use cases, finding your partners, delivering 7-star service, and you've got a real business. Friends, my name is Andy Smith. I've been an entrepreneur for over 20 years, started a bunch of businesses, had some massive failures, and have just learned a lot in this journey. And entrepreneurship to me is the way that we create infinite impact in those around us, in our lives, in our families, in our employees, and in our communities. And when we do that right, it is the most rewarding, most freedom-finding thing that we can do. And I love it. And so that's why I'm an entrepreneur. That's why I love building businesses. And that's why I've gotten really interested in AI, specifically AI automation agencies, and why we have partnered together to create our own. And I think it is the most fun you can have in the career progression. So, friends, thank you for being here. Thank you for being a part of this. I look forward to the journey continuing. Go Rocket. You got this. Keep building.